So here I have two aluminum foil balls, and they love it. Watch this. Up until now, he's been bringing it back to me, and then he wants me to throw it again. Hi, Ruby. You're a good girl. And here he goes. He brings it for me to throw again. Ruby, here's yours. You go that way. You gotta jump down to get it. Or go get his. Oh. And another game of fetch. I'm going to throw it right where I threw the other one. Now there's two. Ruby gets one. Or Jack gets both. I have the best cats ever. And by best cats, I mean they're practically dogs.